Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple finance spreadsheet in Notion. You can download this template from the link in the description. To do this, add a new page, press slash and type table view. After that, select new database. You can rename it as a finance tracker. The first column is the name of the expenses or income. Let's add a number column for the amount, plus, then click on number. Number format is US dollar, or you can select your currency and rename it. For example, it will be the sum. Let's fill the first row. For example, at Tesla, it costs about $100,000. Then add the purchase date, select date, OK, and select the date of purchase, OK. Then select category, expenses, and auto, OK, and select the account. It will be the cash, OK. If you received a salary, you can add it at the next line. For example, 3,000. Select the date and select the category, OK, and it will be the bank account. In this case, we need to add the minus before expenses to correctly calculate the amount. It seems to me that this is not very convenient. You can forget to put a minus, and the amount of the balance in the spreadsheet will be incorrect. Let's complicate the table a little and get rid of this inconvenience. Let's add the column, rename it, it will be income, number format is a currency, OK, replace it. Let's replace the sum with expenses. Now the costs will be without a minus sign, and the income will be in the next column, where it will be clearly visible. Now we can simplify the category column by getting rid of income and expenses. Remove and remove. That's good. Now we see the sum of all incomes. Let's change the name of this view to all. Duplicate this view, rename it as a month, and add the filter. Date is past 1 month. Now in this view, you can see income and expenses only for the last 30 days. Let's check. Add new expenses. For example, good mood. It costs $1, and the date when we were in a good mood, it was the 1st of April. And we can't see these expenses here, but we see the good mood expenses in all view. I remind that you can download this template from the link in the description. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day. See you next time.